Hey guys, it's beautyriotx, and today we are doing my try-on for all my subscription box products. And the first thing we're using right now as a primer is going to be the Pixi Skin Treats Glow Mist. And this can be used before makeup, after makeup, or anytime. So before makeup, I'm assuming it can be used as a primer. So that's what we're gonna use it as. It has a really, really fine mist. Oh, it's gonna drive me nuts. Because of all the crap I've been putting my hair through, I have these broken pieces and they just keep popping out. All right, so I'm gonna use this as a primer and I'm gonna use it in case my makeup looks like very powdery when I'm all done and everything. So we're gonna start with the Butter London Natural Goddess palette. I mean, this packaging is just gorgeous. And this is what the inside looks like. It has two mattes, the rest are metallic. I wish there was one more matte lighter than these two because it's gonna be kind of tricky to make a one eye look with this palette, but we're gonna try to make it work. So I'm gonna go in with Femme Fatale and start this off. I'm gonna do one eye on camera and then the other off. And let's see what we can do with this. So again, we're going in with Femme Fatale, the teal shade, and we're gonna put that right in the crease. I just have nothing to blend it with. That's unfortunate, but this is very, very pretty. And I mean, it's going on very nice. Like, it's not patchy. At first I thought it was going to be, but it's not. Very nice. Oddly nice, actually. All right, next we're gonna go in with the matte brown shade because we don't have a choice. And we're gonna put this Temptress shade all over the lid. Ooh, that's very nice. Let's do kind of maybe a halo eye today. I really want to go in with this green. You know, let's swatch all these metallics and see which one we want to do. We're gonna go in with Star, which is the green one. I'm gonna dab this on my lid. Oh, it's very pretty. Ooh, that's really nice. Let me go do the other eye off camera, do my foundation, and we'll come back with the rest of everything that I have from the other boxes. All right, so the rest of my makeup is done that we didn't have to use. Next, we're gonna go in with the Appeal liner, and this is from BoxyCharm, and this is in Forest Green. And I did swatch this when I first got it, and it's just a nice green color, which will complement this eye look pretty well, actually, so. It went on really nice and smooth. It wasn't as opaque. I wish it was a little bit drier just because I feel like that would stay a little bit more. It glided on really nice though, but I feel like it might have been a little bit too soft. But we'll see how it lasts throughout the day. Next, we're gonna try the Thrive Liquid Lash Extensions. Now, I wasn't gonna use this because I'm just not a huge mascara fan. When I do anything with my lashes, I usually just add fake lashes. But I decided to give it a try because the claims are that this lengthening mascara will help make even sparse lashes look like extensions. So let's see if that's true. I don't know if you can actually see, but my lashes are sparse, they're short, they're nothing special. You guys see a difference? I mean, I kind of do. Not a huge one, but I kind of see one. It says to apply about 2 coats, so I'm gonna do the first one and then go in for a second. And I'm also gonna curl them. I curled them before I turned my camera back on, but I'll curl them a second time. Now, I'm not actually gonna put them on my lower lashes because whenever I do that, I end up making a huge mess. Go in one more time. I mean, I do kind of notice a difference. Let me curl them. notice something. It's something. All right, now we're gonna go in with the Huda Beauty Pink Sands 3D highlighter. We have a cream shade here, and then the rest are powder. So I think we'll go in with the cream on one side and then a powder on the other side. So Capri is the cream, and I'm just gonna go in with my finger. Ooh, that might be too dark for me, actually. Yeah, it's a little too gold. I feel like if I was a little bit tanner, I could get away with that. But it might be like a shade too deep for me. Pretty though. Ooh, didn't do anything for the texture though, nothing good at least. And then, you know, let's swatch the other shades. The other gold shade, the whiter shade, and the pink. I could probably get away with the rest of them. The cream shade is probably the deepest out of, yeah, the cream shade looks like it'll kind of be the deepest out of all of them. So I think I'm gonna go in with Santorini and Azores right here, the two lightest shades here, and I'm gonna mix them together. Ooh, nice. Oh, it's very pretty. And I'm gonna go in with the white shade, or actually the gold shade, and I'm gonna put that in my inner corner. All right, and last but not least, we're gonna go in with the Alamar lip gloss in Dolce. Normally I'm not a lip gloss fan, but I decided to give this one a try because whenever I get a lip gloss, I'm automatically like, I'm gonna give this away. But it's a nice nude lip gloss. I don't have a ton, I just got rid of a bunch of them. I'm gonna keep this one. Oh, it's very pigmented actually. Like really pigmented. It's almost completely covering up my lip shade, which is kind of cool. It's very nice. It's incredibly sticky with the lip gloss, but I mean, it's fine. I think that this is actually the perfect shade for me though. Like it's beautiful. It's beautiful. I wish the formula was a little bit lighter because it is super, super sticky, but it's very pretty, I have to say. I'll definitely use it in the future. Let's finish with the Pixi mist again. And just so you know, I should have taped this part, filmed this part, but my foundation did go on very nice on top of this, like as a primer, because prior to this, I only put on like an essence after I washed my face. So I just had an essence on and this, and my skin looks really nice. So that's promising. So let's go an extra step and use this as a primer. The mist on here is so nice. And it has like a nice, like kind of light herbal smell. Gives you a nice kind of slightly dewy finish, but nothing like greasy so far. And I'll give you guys an update on how everything wore throughout the day. But so far, I think this look is really pretty. Again, I wish there was one more kind of matte transition-y kind of lighter shade in here to work with, but beautiful palette. It's really beautiful, and it was a nice surprise. I probably would have been fine if it was just a neutral palette, but I did like that it came with this fun like pop of color. This is a really beautiful gloss. I'm glad I kept it and tried it. This I will absolutely keep using because so far I'm already kind of loving it. This I'll give a few more shots. I don't use mascara that often, but I wanted to give this a shot because the claims were very bold. It did definitely do something and made my lashes more noticeable. My lashes are such shit to begin with. Nothing really will save them except real lashes. So, I mean, I can't fault it too much because I don't think any mascara is magic, and that kind of felt like that's what it claimed it was. So no, it's not magic for me, but it's not bad. It did do something. The liner, like I said, is pretty. I might actually end up passing it on though. I have a really nice green one from Color. Oh yeah. It's already gone from the lash line. It's totally gone from this side. It's starting to wear away from this side. Yeah. So the Appeal liner, not so much. And this is very pretty actually. So yeah, that was it. Thank you guys so much for watching. What did you guys love in your BoxyCharms and IPSY Glam Bag Plus? And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.